IKEA kitchens come well packed in cardboard boxes. The parts for this central base cabinet come packed in 3 different carton boxes that need to be put together. IKEA instructions usually start with the cabinet's side panels, from where you start building the cabinet from. Just follow the instructions, which, to be honest, are not so difficult to follow. To be secured in place, the countertop needs to be screwed to cabinet top rails. This countertop is made of the MDF material and plastic coated to prevent moisture coming in. As you may have noticed, it comes as a solid panel that we will later have to cut in order to mount a sink and an electric cooktop. The last step is to mount the cabinet doors, and we have finished installing our first kitchen base cabinet. The second kitchen cabinet comes in only 2 cardboard boxes. It is a 3-drawer cabinet that again is assembled in the same manner, starting from the cabinet's side panels. Again, following the IKEA instructions shouldn't be much of a problem. For the back panels, you would need a hammer, while the nails come with the cabinet. Assembling drawers might be a bit more challenging. Drawers are of different sizes, and I also found that the instructions I have received did not contain all the steps, so it took a bit longer to figure out what goes where. Once you overcome the drawers, your 3-drawer cabinet is assembled. The final, 3rd cabinet is double-door single-drawer cabinet, which also comes in 3 separate boxes. As for the previous base cabinets, we followed the instructions, and after some time we have successfully completed the assembly. We still have a lot of work ahead of us. Sink still needs to be mounted, faucet and cooktop need to be installed, drain needs to be connected. But this is going to be the final result once we are finished. I've saved at least 1,200 euros or $1,300 by doing this on my own, since this was the lowest offer I have received for someone to do it for me.